नमस्ते फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ श्री रोहित शाह फ्रॉम किस्मत कनेक्शन। आज मैं आपके लिए एक शुगर रिलेटेड जिनको डायबिटीज़ उनके लिए मैं डिवाइन कोड लेके आया हूँ। Important and primary rule is that you should not stop taking medication for your blood sugar or diabetes. Uh, Always consult your doctor at regular interval and get the regular checkup done as well. So I want to have this disclaimer outright. Uh, so this divine code I have used, you know, few times to see whether it's really does help or not. Uh, but to my surprise, my blood sugar level has come in the normal range, that is acceptable range. My general overall the sugar level is bit higher than the normal range what it should be, higher by like 30-40 points. um, so this divine code, even though I had like mango pulp or ice cream, and I know that the next morning my sugar level will be high. Generally, I have observed that whenever I have a sweet day before, uh, then the next day my sugar level does goes high. So I chanted these numbers and written these numbers on my left side, and the reading came to my surprise in the within the range, normal range. Uh, but I have not stopped consulting doctor. I'm continuing to chant this. It's only been like what do you call 30 days or so. Anyway, let's get to the numbers. The numbers to control your sugar, to reduce your sugar if it's on the higher side. The first number is 22574, that is 22574. Second number is 896 74792, 86674792, and the second number 9786945, that is 9786945. So what I do is I have written these numbers in with the red pen, red ink, 22574, then the 89674792, then 9786945. So you can write any left side, any part of your left side body. So like for me this is my left side, so I have written it on my palm. During the day, if the number gets wiped out, because you wash your hand, and the number may go uh, lighter or not readable, then I rewrite with the red ink again. The reason is that you get to see these numbers quite often during the daytime. uh, I also do chanting in the morning, minimum 15 minutes, and in the evening minimum 15 minutes, then in between as well. So the way you have to chant is you pick the first number 22574 and chant that number for at least 4-5 minutes. Then take the second numbers, that is 89674792, and that is how you have to chant as well. आपको ऐसे ही chant करना है. And then the 9197869445. So as a single digit you have to chant, and one number chant should be at least for minimum 4 to 5 minutes in the morning and in the evening. So please do try out and see the result. Because sugar is the chronic disease, so one has to chant for many months before they can really see that consistency. But I'm pretty sure that within 10 to 21 days one will see some improvement. But please do not stop consulting your doctor. Do consult them regularly as you do, and get your blood test check as well at the regular interval. This is not a medical advice. This is just a simply uh, you know supporting practice that that may benefit you. So please do try out and share the result. Thank you very much. This is Sri Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, because your support will help me to come with the new, more exciting tips that can benefit larger community, uh, you know people like you and like myself and my family and my friend circle, as well as your family and your friend circle. Thank you very much. Sorry for the long video, but it's very important video and can help many people. So thank you very much again. Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.